Hello guys, this is another tech video on Top agency. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can remove admin log in this Alcatel phone. It has kind of been a problem, so it's time we solve it. Please subscribe this channel for more content, guys. So what do you do? First and foremost, you first format hard reset this phone. To hard reset this phone, you can check other videos on this channel on how you can do that. Then after that, you open the tool and do the needful. Follow the video step by step on how you can do it to remove the admin log from Alcatel phone. So guys, very easy to be done. Just follow the steps.